Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to improve the battery life on your Lenovo laptop or tablet running Windows 11. If your battery is draining too quickly or isn't holding a charge for very long, these power settings can help extend your battery life. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, click System from the menu on the left. Now scroll down and select Power. Under the Power Mode section, you'll see options to optimize your device based on power usage and performance. Click the drop-down menu next to Plugged In and select Best Power Efficiency. Then do the same for the On Battery option. This will help Windows reduce power consumption and improve your battery life. Now scroll down until you find Energy Saver. Turn Energy Saver on. This feature automatically reduces background activity and other power usage to help your battery last longer. Once you've finished changing these settings, simply close the settings window. Your new power settings will be applied automatically. That's all there is to it. Your Lenovo laptop should now use less power and provide better battery life, especially while running on battery power. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips, Lenovo tutorials, and PC troubleshooting guides.